Tell me a story. I want a story. Tell me a story. I want a story. No, 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 dear. Settle down, and let me tell you a Christmas story about Vlogmas. Okay. Where did we reach? Okay, here we are. 'Twas the night before Vlogmas, and all through the house, not a computer was starting, not even a mouse. All batteries were charging by the sockets with care, in hopes that each day a vlog would be there. The vloggers were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of videos danced in their heads. The end. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas time. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 8. I can't show up. I think 8 is like 8. That's what you do for 8. As you can see, I am not rocking the brace right now, but welcome back. So if you are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Aisha Christina, and I am doing Vlogmas on my channel. Is basically where every day you upload a vlog on your channel every single day leading up for Christmas. So there's 25 vlogs. I know it's a lot, but join me on this journey as we do Vlogmas. So I'm awake. It is what time currently? It is 12:30. I am up because I have stuff to do, and yeah, I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff to do right now by my desk. How many times do you guys actually see me by my desk? I know yesterday's video saw me, but like I rarely am by my desk. I'm usually on my bed. But I decided, you know what? Let me be grown for a second and, you know, just work by my desk today, which is crazy. But I mean, but you know, the first thing we have to do, because y'all know I love fresh air, is to open up my windows. I haven't opened it up yet, and obviously, you know, this being an Aisha vlog, an original, I provide live ambient music of animals barking, animals squawking and quarreling on my videos. Like, it's not a vlog without them, because they are part of the family. Apparently they have forced themselves into the family. But I mean, who like why should I fuss? You know, why should I really fuss? But let's get started, because I have a lot of stuff to do today. I got a lot of stuff, and I need some breeze because I don't want to use no electricity. Like, my light is literally off. That's to tell you how bright my room is. I do not need to turn on my light because I get fresh light all the time. So y'all, there was a spider and I can't deal with it. I can't. So I have my last student for today, and then I'm done for today. Today has been a wild day. I really have not been on on YouTube. Okay, my student is coming. Where's my glasses? I don't know where my glasses. How are you? All these songs? All these songs? Because they're playing them for me this week. I want to hear all these songs. Pa, pa, pa. Go ahead, play that. D, E, B. Quarter. Instead of putting it up like this, I'm playing. I want you to have it downwards like this. Okay? Okay, so we're going to try it again. Let's try it again. Try for me. All the faithful. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Guys, I am zonzo. I am son. 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 Today was pretty much a boring day, so I had to entertain you guys. Whew. But I have more work to do. I literally have more work to do, and I'm like not in the mood for it. Silent nights, because damn, I need to close my windows too. But I'm enjoying the breeze. The breeze is cute. Hello guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 9, I think, or 8, 9, I'm not too sure. But right now I am putting on some makeup because I have to go and take some passport size photos. And I have to put on makeup because your girl is breaking out and she about to look bad. Where are So it's been a while since I came back home, and when I tell y'all, I really did not do that much today. I really didn't. My hair is just haywire, but I'm going to edit. I'm going to edit now. I couldn't even use my brother's computer today because it is the last day of the term. Well, no, it's not the last day of the term, but it's one of those days. Where is his laptop? I need his laptop. Okay, it's here. So, is it alive? Hopefully it's alive. I'm going to edit yesterday's video, or today's video, day 8. I'm going to edit that now, and I will call it a night. So, oh my gosh, Josiah's home. Yes. Your hands full. What did you bring me? Hi. He is not home.
Okay, on the door there, right?
Okay. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Okay, I'm ending the vlog today. What? Okay, I'm coming. I think they bought ice cream for me. What ice cream flavor y'all got? Hold on, let me just turn off this. What ice cream you got, Josiah? Ooh, I could taste that. Look. You put coloring in it. This one is what, Baba stuff?
I'll take all about it.
Oh, where you go? Where is it go?
Right here, I got, I think, rum raisin, pistachio, and salsa.
Okay. Guys. Look at this. So I am going to go. I hope you guys had an enjoyable day, and I am tuning off. Well, hear me tuning off, signing off for today's video. Say bye, mommy.
Bye.
Wave.
Bye, mommy.
Bye, guys.